Yeah, promised you snow. And here's the calm before the storm. This is just a little bit. Just, light snow, whatever. It's gonna get harder, say around midnight. I'm walking in the Humber with June. As you can see, there's the doggy. She's being a bad girl right now, but other than that. So, here you go. There's some nice trees. That's behind us. Now we're gonna walk in front. So this is the Humber. It's where me and Ronnie do most of our biking during the summertime. And this is also the way we go to go downtown, but the other part of the Humber, which you'll see at a later time. But this is it. It's a bike trail, basically. So, over there's the water. Can't really see it that well. Let's see if I can get you close to the water. But yeah, this is part of Toronto. You can't really see it because we're in, like I said, we're in like the brush, if you want to call it the brush. But here you go. Let's go. This is the water, starting from where we're standing. So there you go. Now we're back onto the path. Getting kind of windy. As this wind picks up, it's gonna get really, really, really bad outside. Here, I'll show you the water even better. And then we're here. There you go. Then it goes over there and runs all the way along there. So there you go. And if my battery didn't die, or wasn't going to die, you'd probably see street level. But I'm pretty sure we're not going to get to the street before my battery dies. Unfortunately, this camera sucks. So, but for now, until later on tonight, around say 6, 7-ish, maybe 10, when it will be at the peak of its storm. Just gotta watch. We got some ice here. Don't want to fall. Be careful, June. This is ice. Yeah, it's nice. You gotta slip and go sliding. Yeah, you gotta go slip and sliding. There you go. So see, now we're coming to about the street level. All these houses over here. It's also where we get our power from. You can see the power lines. They run through the Humber, as you can see. And you can see the cars in the background there. So this is basically the Humber. This is where if we're coming home on the Humber by bike, depending if we're coming from Mississauga, then yeah. If we weren't, we're going to the downtown, we'd take the other part of the Humber, which is across the road, and it takes us all along. Basically, it's going the long way though. But yeah, it is nice scenery. Usually looks nice during the fall or autumn, whatever you want to call it. It's the same thing. I'm going to charge my camera up. Hopefully I have enough battery power to at least get more than 5 minutes of video. And if I can learn how to put it on YouTube, I can put it on YouTube and you can show mom and dad. But like I said, there's only a little part of Toronto, like not even, and there's one of our buses in the background. You can kind of see it. As it gets closer, you might even see it a bit better. It's the Royal York bus. There it goes. There's two ways out of the Humber. We can go that way, which is where me and June entered, or we can go the way we're going, which is for cars. Right now I got her on a short leash, because if I don't, she's going to take me for a ride, one, and two, it's very, very dangerous out here with the snow and the ice. Don't want to fall. Over there you got a skating rink across the street. That's part of, like I said, the other part of the Humber. People go skating there. It's an outdoor one, not your typical one. It's actually a tennis court / basketball court. In the wintertime they use it as an ice rink though. And now we're gonna go home if I don't fall down this hill. If the dog knows how to walk, maybe we might be okay. And now we're getting to street level. Hopefully this battery doesn't die. Now we're at the street level. This is part, like I said, this is part of Etobicoke. They call this part Rexdale. I guess it'd be kind of like, you know, you're in where you are, then you got Hobart. So, just like a little section. As you can see, the sidewalks are getting snow covered now. Now we're gonna wait for a red light. Hold on, you. So yeah. This is where I usually take June to play with the trees. That's where we walk to go into that place. Now we're gonna go. I'm actually quite surprised the battery's lasting as long as it is, huh? One of our bus stops, you know, you want to wait for the bus. 96 or the 73. 73 being the Royal York, 96 being the Wilson routes. That's that. Now we're gonna walk home, and hopefully if the battery lasts long, you'll be able to see where I live. We do get a lot of plane traffic. You'll hear it. They fly right over top of our heads. So yeah. This is where I live. Look, there's Dylan. Say hi to Dylan. Say hi, Dylan. Say hi, Dylan.
Where's the fire at, Vern?
I don't know.
Where did the fire truck go?
I didn't know. I was in the Humber.
Oh, God.
Say hi to Abby.
Hey, Abby.
Okay, let's go. Let's go upstairs. Come on. Get up. Get up.
It sounded like they went on the street, though?
It sounded like Government Court. But I'm not sure. I'm not sure, Vern. There's Cindy's house.